If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. If you've received a credit from a vendor and entered it into QuickBooks, you can use it on the next payment you make to that vendor. You can manually take this credit as you pay the next bill in the Pay Bills window if you do not have QuickBooks set up to automatically apply discounts and credits. To do this, open the Pay Bills window by selecting Vendors, Pay Bills from the menu bar. Then select the bill for which you have a vendor credit you would like to apply. Then click the Set Credits button. QuickBooks will display the Discount and Credits window and show the Credits tab where the amount of the credit will be displayed. You can select how much of the available vendor credit to use by typing it into the Amount to Use column if you only want to use a portion of the credit. Next, click the Done button to close the Discount and Credits window. From this point, just enter the rest of the bill payment information as normal to finish paying the remainder of the bill. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.